Friends, sweep command in Autocad creates 3D solids or surface by moving a 2D profile along a specified path. Now we draw a hose pipe by sweeping this 2D profile circle along the center line of the pipe to create a hose pipe like object. Use shell command to make it hollow and put shell offset distance as wall thickness, and also change the color property to show as plastic pipes. Now we draw a band pipe. Again, you want to draw a helical spring type helix in command and give the base and top dia and sweep a small circle along helical path. Again, we draw a torus by moving this profile along a rod and choose the twist option and put the twist angle 360 degree full rotation. Now we'll draw a railing over a house roof. Suppose this is a house roof. Friends, if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.